Sindhura and I'm a research enthusiast and innovator who was born in Ullal, Mangalore, and I currently study in Bangalore. I worked on a self-stabilizing device for patients with Parkinson's disease and presented this at the FAB 24 conference that was held in Mexico, and it was sponsored by the Rajiv Motwani Fellowship given by the Motwani Jadeja Foundation. And I developed a brain age prediction model that calculates your brain age and compares that with your chronological age or your regular normal body age, and that difference is used to estimate your risk of developing dementia. So that won an award at the FuturePort Youth Conference, which was a 2,000 euro grant to further develop my project. It was a conference, it was an international conference that was held in Prague, Czech Republic. I also was named a World Science Scholar by the World Science Festival, and I represented India in New York at the World Science Festival, which was fully sponsored. There I interacted with Nobel laureates and breakthrough prize winners like Dr. Brian Greene, Kumran Wafa, and Dr. Stephen Wolfram. So that was a really amazing experience. So throughout the year-long program as a World Science Scholar, I had an opportunity to take courses and interact with them virtually as well, and later in person at the World Science Festival. I also was working on a prosthetic arm for amputees, which I presented at an international competition that was held in Dubai, and further at the FAB 24 conference as well. And recently I was awarded the Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Bal Puraskar Award in the category of innovation for 2025. I had the opportunity to interact with the Honorable President as well as the Honorable Prime Minister of India during Veer Bal Divas. The award ceremony at Rashtrapati Bhavan was followed by a parade of Indian cultures at Bharat Mandapam on the same day, on 26 December 2024. So it was an amazing experience hearing from the leaders who lead our nation, and the Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi ji, encouraged me to go ahead in research and asked about my projects and what I've been working on. Thank you.
Hello. Sindhur, you mentioned about that module that detect dementia symptoms, and perhaps I think another. What is the current status of that research, and how you are going to take it forward, put into practice in the medical field, especially nowadays this dementia and similar diseases are very common among even among youth. So can you elaborate on it?
So I've received a lot of emails and messages regarding people who really want to use my product, and I've actually patented my brain age prediction model and will file another patent for my vibrotactile device that I recently presented. I will also go ahead in the startup sector aiming at rural India and uplifting rural Karnataka as well as citizens of India who are diagnosed with Parkinson's with respect to a therapeutic device, and I plan to expand it worldwide as well. So that's a possibility, and I will be able to, I mean, right now it's in a minimum viable product stage, that is like more of a prototype, and I will develop this into a full-fledged product soon.
Have you got any support from any agency like private or government to take it forward?
Well, I haven't got any support from the government with respect to patenting, but patenting was managed by New Horizon College of Engineering. I filed the patent through them, through the incubation center at New Horizon College of Engineering, and I've also worked at ATL Labs. That is a government initiative that is through the Atal Innovation Mission, and they help me with the development of prototypes, materials required for development, as well as research purposes.
And how significant this particular module you developed in the current scenario, especially in medical field? So can you elaborate on that?
See, the main problem is that Parkinson's. Let's break it into two parts: diagnosis as well as treatment. Parkinson's disease affects 10 million people worldwide, and the number is expected to double by 2030. So it's a lot of people who are undiagnosed at this point as well. And if you diagnose Parkinson's early on, you can potentially improve patient outcomes by starting therapies as well as medical treatments early on in a person's Parkinson's stage. So that's important in the case of positive patient outcomes, as well as and that's why I've developed certain tests for diagnosis of Parkinson's, which was a spiral test, as well as a voice-based test, as well as the brain age prediction model. And then with respect to treatment, there is the treatments currently available in the market, that is a deep brain simulation as well as a wristband sort of thing. Those are really expensive, and they cannot really help rural India because they are only available in world-class institutes, like really good hospitals, and only a few of them are available in India. And comparatively to the population of India, there's a large gap between the cost and the poverty line. So people below the poverty line and like even the middle class families cannot afford that, and these take a lot of time. So that's why I have developed a device that sends vibrations to the fingers of patients at different intervals that reduce tremors and additionally improve symptoms like freezing of gait as well.
Can you share your experience meeting Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, and President of India, Murmu?
So the award ceremony was where we met the President of India, where the awardees met the President, uh, Honorable President Draupadi Murmu, and we first had a group photograph, after which we were led into the award ceremony at a hall, and the interaction with the President was really brief, as ma'am only gave us the medals as well as the certificate, and while the citations as well as our achievements were being read out by the MC, and ma'am congratulated all of us as well as gave us conferred upon us the awards. Further, later in the afternoon, just before the Veer Bal Divas ceremony at Bharat Mandapam, we were invited to the Prime Minister's launch, and there we interacted with him for about 1 hour. Totally, as there were 17 awardees, and the highlights were shared as well. So, sir asked about my research and what we've done to get the award, and uh, the Prime Minister had already read our accomplishments beforehand, so he had a brief idea of our achievements. And so sir asked me how many years I've spent working on this and what I would like to do in the future as well. So I was working for about 2 years on this, and in the future I would like to go into research. That's what I mentioned.
ಸಿಂಧೂರ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ನಡಿಗರಿಗಾಗಿ ಈಗ ನೀನು ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಸಾಧನೆ ಏನು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಬಹುಶಃ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನವರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಏನಿದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂಥದ್ದಲ್ಲ?
ನಾನು ಒಂದು ವೈಬ್ರೋ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೈಲ್ ಡಿವೈಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸಾಧಿಸಿದೆ. ಅದು ಪಾರ್ಕಿನ್ಸನ್ಸ್ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಕೈ ನಡುಗುವಾಗ ಅದು ವೈಬ್ರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಕೈಗೆ ಹೋದರೆ ಅದು ಆ ನಡುಗುವುದನ್ನು ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ಅದು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು.
ನೀನೇನು ಮಾಡೋದು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ? ಏನು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟದ್ದು ನೀನು? ಹೇಗೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಗುಣಪಡಿಸ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಂಥದ್ದು?
ಅದು ವೈಬ್ರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ತದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಫಿಂಗರ್ಸ್ಗೆ. ಅದು ಕೈ ನಡುಗುವುದನ್ನು ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ಹೇಗೆಂದರೆ ಆ ವೈಬ್ರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿರುವ ನ್ಯೂರಲ್ ಪಾತ್ವೇಸನ್ನು ಮ್ಯಾನಿಪ್ಯುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಪೈನಲ್ ಕಾರ್ಡಿಗೆ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಇದು ಕೈ ನಡುಗುವುದು ಹಾಗೂ ಫ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಗೇಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನಡೆಯುವಾಗಲೇ ಬೀಳುವುದು ಅಂಥ ಸಿಂಪ್ಟಮ್ಸನ್ನು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸುವಾಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ.
ಇದನ್ನು ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಉಪದೇಶ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಅಂದರೆ ಅಡ್ವೈಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸಿಗ ಅಥವಾ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮೆಡಿಸಿನಾ ಏನು?
ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಇದು ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು ಪಾರ್ಕಿನ್ಸನ್ಸ್ ಡಿಸೀಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಮೋಟರ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇದ್ದವರು ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಬಹುದು.
ಅದು ಮೆಡಿಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಗುಣ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಹೇಗೆ?
ಮೆಡಿಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು
ವೈಬ್ರೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ. ಈಗ 17 ಜನ ನಿನ್ನ ಹಾಗೆ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ ಸ್ವೀಕರಿಸಿದವರು ಇದ್ದರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು, ಅವರ ಸಾಧನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಹಂಚಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರಾ? ಏನು ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡಿದವರು ಅಂತ?
ಈಗ ಇದು 17 ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದವರಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸಿಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. ಅವರು ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸಿಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ, ಹಾಗೂ ಸಿಂಗಿಂಗಿಗೆ, ಸಂಗೀತ ಹಾಗೂ ಚಿತ್ರಕಲೆಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. ಮುಂದೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಜೂಡೋಗೆ, ಚೆಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಸೈಕ್ಲಿಂಗಿಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. ಆದರೆ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಶ್ಮೀರಿಂದ ಒಬ್ಬನಿಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ, ಹಾಗೂ ನನಗೆ ಇನೋವೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಿಂದ ನಾನು ಒಬ್ಬಳೆ.
ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದರು ಪ್ರಧಾನಿಯವರು? ಮರ್ಮೋ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದರು?
ಅವರು ನನ್ನ ರಿಸರ್ಚಿನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಅವರು ಮೊದಲೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಾಧನೆಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಓದಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದರು. ಮತ್ತು ಮುಂದೆ ನಾನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಮಯ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಸಹಾಯ ತಗೊಂಡೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನಾನು ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಕೇಳಿದರು. ಹಾಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಮುಂದೆ ನನಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕೆಂದು ಕೇಳಿದರು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು 2 ವರ್ಷ ಇದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಹಾಗೂ ನನಗೆ ಮುಂದೆ ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ನಲ್ಲೇ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಎಂದು ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ.
ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಸಹಕಾರ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ
ಅವರಿಂದ? ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ನಾವು 17 ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದೆವು. ನಾವು ಒಂದು 7-8 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ 5-6 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಆದರೆ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯಿಂದ ತುಂಬ ಜನರು ನನಗೆ ರೀಚ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಮೇಲ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ, ಹಾಗೂ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಆಫ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನಿಂದ ಒಬ್ಬರು ನನಗೆ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ಒಂದು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆಯುವ ಒಂದು VC ಪಿಚ್ಚಿಂಗ್ಗೆ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಲು ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ಹಾಗೆ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಮೇಲ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ. ನನಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್